Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Civic versus the GTR R35. We'll explore how these two iconic vehicles, despite both being Japanese-made, cater to entirely different drivers and purposes. One prioritizes everyday usability and economy, while the other is engineered for exhilarating performance and track dominance. Let's dive into their core distinctions and see what makes each car unique in its own right. When it comes to raw power, the GTR R35 is in a league of its own, delivering over 565 horsepower from its twin-turbo V6 engine. This allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. In contrast, a Honda Civic, even in its sportier trims, typically offers between 158 and 315 horsepower, focusing more on balanced performance for daily commutes rather than outright speed. Beyond performance, practicality and cost are major differentiators. The Honda Civic shines with its impressive fuel economy, often achieving over 30 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for everyday driving. The GTR R35, however, comes with a much higher price tag, often exceeding $110,000, and naturally incurs greater expenses for fuel, maintenance, and insurance due to its specialized components and high-performance nature. Ultimately, the choice between a Honda Civic and a GTR R35 depends entirely on your priorities. The Civic is perfect for those who value reliability, fuel efficiency, and a comfortable, affordable daily driver. The GTR R35 is for the enthusiast who craves blistering speed, advanced technology, and a thrilling driving experience above all else. If you're looking for other great deals, like those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below for links and more fantastic finds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.